coffee is ready, darling.
There you are, baby.
There you go.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Honey, what is this?
I had wanted to do this last night, but I lost my nerve. So I promised myself on our way back home, it wouldn't pass this morning. I had wanted to do this when our relationship was just 2 months old. But you know, they say you must look into people as well as look at them. I know I have made the right choice. I know you love me. And there's no gainsaying that I love you right back. So I ask you, Angela, will you marry me? Please.
Yes.
You know, say you're not supposed to send this guy. Johnson is a tout. Don't you ever forget that.
It's just impossible. What kind of animal is a game, right?
Listen.
This kind of thing.
Johnson is a tout. Don't you ever forget that.
Look at.
Why you carry ball for your hand? Pass the ball.
I'll see you.
Just around that corner.
Are you serious? Mm-hmm. For how long now? Because I'm always here, almost twice a week for the past 6 months. Really? One of my best clients happens to work here. I'm coming from her office.
Well, you know, shit happens once in a while. I've been working here for like 1 year.
You serious? Wow. So, where are you going?
I'm famished. Hungry lunchtime.
Oh, silly me.
Yeah. So, are you game? Come on, let's hit the road.
Thank you, my dear.
I know.
You know
The memory of the good old days in secondary school. It's always with me, you know? How can I ever forget? I miss you guys a bunch.
And that is the essence of Old Boys and Girls Association. The last I attended last year, or 2 years ago, was fun. In fact, everybody showed up. It was fun, and except you.
Except me, I know. But I've already apologized now. Huh? I know you guys had fun without me.
Maybe one of these days, you should just stop by my place. I have so many pictures of the past year's meeting.
Really? Wow. You know, girl, there is only one person I'll always want to meet. Aruna. You know, I don't know. But has he ever attended any of the meetings?
Angela, Haruna is not an old boy, remember? Remember how we got him expelled?
How can I ever forget? Especially when I was the one who masterminded everything. You know, I can't. Angela, I'm so bad.
What is it about Haruna all of a sudden? Because the last time we met, you brought him up. Are you sure you're not feeling...
Please, not even go there at all. Let's just say it's guilt.
Come on, please. Okay. We were kids then. And it's in the past now. And moreover, Haruna's father is very, very rich. And Haruna is intelligent. If the both of us are here today, the Haruna that I know should be in the US.
Yeah, you're right there. You know, that guy is one guy that nobody has ever beaten in anything. One guy. You can say that to me. Oh, well, he's always there. What was the meaning of that?
What was the meaning of what? Where were you when I came to your office to take you out for lunch? Do you know how many hours I spent there waiting for you to come back? Do you?
And what has that got to do with the attitude you just displayed out?
It has everything to do with it. Everything. Like, why did you switch off your phone, for example? And did you stop at one moment to realize that while I was waiting for you at that office, maybe I was thinking you had an accident or something? Little did I know that you were somewhere cool and cozy enjoying yourself. I mean, the situation outside explained it all.
What?
Yes, you heard me, so stop talking.
You know what, Chibuzo? I am sick and tired of all this, your attitude day in and out. What is wrong with you? What is your problem? You are running me mad. So because I met an old school friend of mine, Nneka, and we dined together, and you came to my office and met my absence, and simply because of poor network, you couldn't get hold of me, is that why you displayed that outside? Is that it?
Yes, good speech. Now you tell me, miss, how would you explain the intentions of a client who abandons the consultant's office for the consultant's house to do business?
And what is the meaning of that? That I am not capable of taking care of myself and my business?
Of course you're not. You're not. You know, the good thing is that you're an avid reader of books like myself. Remember H.L. Mencken? Okay, I'll remind you. To keep a man is to keep him a little jealous. But to lose him is to get him a whole lot more jealous. And darling, you're doing a fantastic job at that.
You know what? In jealousy, there is more of self-love than of love to another. Meditate over that when you get home.
What can I do for you?
Please, you have a parcel.
Okay.
It's on here.
Hello?
I just want to tell you I'm very sorry. Please forgive me.
Chipsa, there's no need for all that, okay? And I'm very, very busy right now, and I'll talk to you later. Yeah? Come on, just stand up, okay? There's no need to kneel for me. On the condition that you would do the talking standing. Come on, stand up.
And just like William Makepeace Thackeray said, a fool can no more see his own folly more than he can see his own ears. What we do in the end, wise people do in the beginning. Darling, I love you. And believe me, there's never jealousy, but there's no strong regard.
You see, I will forgive you, but only on the condition that you never reason with your heart anymore, but with your head.
I promise.
You know, the greatest of all faults is to be conscious of none. It's okay.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
And, darling, speaking of stress, I am going to try my best to wash away all the stress I've caused you. Yes, and later on in the day, I'll take you somewhere. And please, 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 don't tell me now.
Okay, I'm game.
Okay. And speaking of game too, darling, I'm hungry.
Really?
Yeah, I've not had anything to eat since morning.
Oh my God, why?
I'm a bachelor.
I know. Alright, you just sit down and I'll go prepare something
Alright.
good.
See, a man once said, the blind will give anything to see. And though there's power in perception, it can never be compared with the power of sight. I met you and I knew that charm was bigger and greater than beauty. And that's why I can't stop but to memorize this quote by John Donne, which says, "Love builds on beauty as soon as beauty dies." I never knew how to worship until I learned how to love. And I say this bold, I love you.
I love you too. Okay?
That should see you.
Haruna Ibrahim. That's you, right?
Angela won.
What are you doing here?
Walking. Enjoy it.
Angela.
I'm so sorry, dear.
Who's he?
He was my classmate in secondary school. And I am so shocked to see him in this condition. You know, he was an intelligent boy and he comes from a wealthy home. But this... Oh, God.
Listen, darling. Life is like that, okay? Whatever life brings, you embrace it. Good, bad, sadness, positives, you embrace it. And don't let that spoil you. Alright? So, I'm going to do justice to this.
Honestly, I don't feel like it anymore.
What are you talking about? You wanted to, and now here is Syria.
Honey, I'm so sorry I spoiled your day. Honestly, I am. I'm sorry.
What? Oh, come off it, Angela. I'm sure you're joking, right?
I am dead serious. I'm not joking. Aruna serves suya at Nigbo Hotel.
But that is not possible.
You know, that is the point, girl. I really don't know what went wrong. Because I can remember back in the days that Haruna's parents were very rich. You remember that time? Different cars brought him to school every day. I don't know. I don't know what happened.
But frankly, what could lead Haruna of all people into this present predicament beats my imagination.
Well, you know, what came into my mind the day I saw him was, it could be very possible that after the expulsion that, you know, Haruna's parents disowned him.
Oh, no, stop, Angela. No, I don't want to believe that. But it's very possible. Angela, oh my God, I hope our little escapade then has not landed this, you know, innocent soul in a deep mess. So what do we do now?
Not the slightest idea. I'm confused.
Well, I have an idea, you know. First thing to do as Christians is to apologize. And then we can see how we can remedy the situation.
Do you think he will listen to us?
Well, he may not at first, but later might. Look, my conscience will kill me. I'm ready to follow him to the grave until he accepts my apology.
Me too. Come on, let's just go. I guess this is as far as our car can go.
Of course.
Oh my God.
Hello, excuse me.
Good afternoon. Oh yeah, hi. Please, we're looking for Alhaji Sarike's house.
Okay.
Do you know where it is?
The place still fast more, but I know if we take this road.
No. We know if we cross that water now.
We go take another road where take bus stop. Okay, now move it.
Hey, Neka!
Yeah.
Angela! Well, like today is a good day. Yeah. Good to see you girls. Takukuma Geda.
Catch you.
Look at you girls. You girls are looking like big girls.
How have you been?
What? How did you girls find me? Eh?
Alhaji Sariki gave us your house address.
Madala. That's no problem. No problem at all. No problem. I'm here training to stay in Shewalai. You know, we need it to...
We need to talk.
I hope I'm safe, eh?
Oh, of course you are safe. Well, we are so sorry about what happened to you in school back in the days. We just came to apologize so that you would forgive us. As a matter of fact, Neka and I was responsible for your expulsion. We're so sorry.
We're very sorry, Haruna.
You know, as Allah is my witness, I have forgiven you girls a long time ago. I don't bear grudges, wallahi. It's not in my blood. You know, Islam is a religion of peace, of unity, of love. Yeah? I don't have a problem. And wallahi, it's even better for me because I went to take my exams in another school and I applied. No, what about that? Flying colors coming. He likes playing. So there's no problem. Bad damn.
Friends?
Yes, anytime. I will hug you, but So, are you married?
We'll graduate now.
Oh, no? You're graduating?
Yeah, you know, she's not married. But I have a fiance.
It is good. So you will find it.
No, wait, Haruna. Listen to me. I will go with you. And when we get there, you choose one. And I will, you know now. I'll gradually choose the other one. Haruna, wait. Those girls are so sweet.
Let me warn you. Those girls are out of our rich far. They are not in your class at all. I know those girls.
Story.
We were all in the same secondary school. They just want to help me. Cascade, there's no big deal there. You know I'm not into this girl stuff.
Okay. Haruna, I know say you go slack. Plus, wake up now. This is the Naija. This kind of opportunity, you know, they come every day. Now, waiting go make rich girls like that help find poor boy like you for nothing. One of them like you.
Ina they talk the one way in a see. Ina know how many alhajis don't beg this man make him marry their daughters. Make them for bless her with many cattle ranch and gifts. Ina know what my brother Haruna they talk?
Waiting.
Wait, you won't go back to school.
Okay, shut up.
Haruna!
You want make her be
Vexed.
Ibrahim, why must you open your Why must you open your brother up like this now? Ibrahim.
It's 5 minutes past 1.
Are you sure it's gonna come?
I don't know. Let's just hope.
Oh, there he is.
Oh. Hey, Nina.
I know.
Sorry I'm late. Traffic was a little bad, but okay, I made it.
No, it's okay. It's alright.
Let me call the waiter if there's anything.
No, I'm fine.
Are you sure?
I'm lying, there's no problem. I just, I spent a lot of time in the traffic, so I'm fine. I ate a little chingafa with little maikako, so there's no problem.
Haruna, there is something we'd like to ask you. Believe you me, we ask because we care. And not only that, we're ready to support in any way we can.
Ask me.
Yeah, we wanted to know what happened to you immediately after you were expelled from school. I mean, life generally, your education, what happened?
No problem. I'm trying to gather money to go back to school. But the school is very expensive, so I'll gather money. Then early next year I'll go into the university. I finished my A level and I passed for flying colors for life, so there's no problem.
Well, we thank you for your sincerity. And what we did back then was childish, of course. And we're sorry for anything it might have cost you. We're friends now, and if there's any way we can help, please don't hesitate to ask.
For now, I'm fine. But I'm all willing if there's anything that I need. Wallahi, you two girls will be the first people I'll run to.
Well, we're friends now, and we thank God that the light of education is still shining in you. God will surely see you through.
Amen. Are you sure you don't want anything?
No, let's just gist,
You know, good like that. See me, 1 month, 1 wife, good, okay. It's okay like that. You don't understand. I don't understand.
Thank you, girls. I had a good time.
What's me now?
Say to my house.
You go out. Say this out. Say what's me now?
Aruna! Mwa utosi mwa makina matari. Ina matari for me, Aruna. Mwa. Ibu mwa boga ni. Na potari. Aruna. Mwa oginana. Dos cheremu. Megine. Mali ma bono ye utose wo. Aruna. Cheremu abia.
I think Haruna is trying to continue his hatred for us.
Okay, I disagree with you, Nick. For I think he is just trying to play safe. Because he doesn't know what we want from him.
Well, let's hope so.
I know so. And as for me, even if he hates us, we will try as much as possible for him to understand us and trust us. You know? Because I don't really blame him for his attitude. Because I know if it were you, you would even do more.
Me?
Yes, you.
Me. talk to the people that destroy my life. I can't imagine what I would do if I were him at that critical period after he is expelled and disowned by his parents.
You know, let me guess.
Suicide? Well, I don't think I can settle for anything less.
I guess right. You know what, girl? Let's try as much as possible to make him trust us. Because I know if there is trust, he'll open up to us. Deal?
Yes, deal.
Wallahi, you girls are living so well. Look at this delight. You're shiny. Look at the chair.
Will you stop that, Haruna? What is this?
You guys have done so well for yourselves, wallahi.
Oh, it's good.
Please stop that. Anyway, let me change the subject. Tell me more about the suya business.
Well, Nama business is like Nama business. Me and my neighbor, we buy the cow, we share it, and then at night, probably we sell it. No small profit.
Hello, love.
Hello, darling. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Where are you?
Yeah, I'm home with my friends, Aruna and Neka.
Well, I was just doing some reading and I saw your picture. I just decided to call you to know how are you. I want you to know that I love you more than anything in this world. Okay?
Alright then, I'll talk to you later then, okay?
Alright, darling, you take care.
Bye.
Bye now. Beyonce? I thought you said you're married.
No.
Oh, okay.
She's engaged.
But you have no memory.
Oh, no. I'm waiting for you.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Sir, that's it. Johnson. Haruna. Johnson. No, that's not. Haruna. Haruna.
Boki, yeah, they.
Haruna. How did it go? What?
Like that.
How did it
go. You don't maintain any of them.
Now what for now?
See this one?
I beg.
Not tell you say you go fuck up, oh. Well, shall I say the enter picture, be?
Eh?
Let me see.
Haruna, you're slapping on it too much. You don't need to.
Najiko. Makarantai, daddy name. Your daddy so say. Kaji.
Najinka. Nazwa.
Hey, my guy. Oya. 2 sets now. 2 sets. Wait. Just wait. I'm going to play. No, I'm going to divide that. 2 sets. No, 2 sets now. Oya. Just.
Where have you been?
Honey.
No, you've been over an hour late.
I'm so sorry about that. You know, I was just trying to help Nneka to arrange some of her files. It was even Haruna that reminded me of the time. I'm sorry.
Haruna was there too?
Yeah. Come on, honey. I said I'm sorry. Apology accepted?
Accepted.
You've not accepted. Alright, just give me a little bit of the smiling now. Come on.
Let's go.
Okay.
Pass there. See what they play. When I tell una say una no play.
To be pass ball.
Throw this side.
Woo!
Now players. Thank you.
Oh, hi, honey.
I left you, okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. So how did you find me here?
Yeah, you told me where he lives, and trust me, it's quite popular around here.
Oh, yeah. Well, let me officially do the introductions. Haruna, meet my sweetheart, Chibuzo. My friend Haruna.
You went at the office, what happened? You know, I even went to her house, I didn't see you. How do it? How far?
How far? They're going to go how far? How far? I don't never had a vision. I see my far. I'm back. I'm on when he gave me the last time money on the way here.
Johnson, what is the meaning of this?
Okay, they're making. I don't know. It's a Panamada. Yeah, I don't know. What's going to go?
Well, this is
not going to go. I don't know. Come back. It's your mother.
Johnson, does it occur to you that you are embarrassing his visitors?
What can I say? Going to this? It's a man. Sutos in one mama. You don't get
Oh, he's there. Oh, she's so cool. One in the book, you know, here. Okay. Hey, oh, God, I need it. I can let you go. Never, I got it in my.
Angela, thank you. Look at the food.
Hey, it's okay, and stop thanking us like that.
So why is mommy, daddy?
No, Mama is doing okay.
Hello, darling.
Oh, hi, honey. I'm alright. Yeah, I'm okay. Oh, hi.
You okay?
Hello?
Honey, won't you sit down?
No need for that, darling. I was just coming from the office and I decided to pop in to see you. But since you have guests, why don't you come over and see me later, huh?
Okay.
You take it.
Your husband?
Our fiancé.
Haruna, these girls, they like you. Wait. You mean they bought all these clothes for you? Oh my God. Haruna, the other day, they changed your phone. Now the clothes.
Haruna, there is more to this.
Wallahi, there's nothing to it. It's these girls, they just feel guilty. You know, for what they did to me during our secondary school days. So they just their way of saying they're sorry.
So what is it?
Nothing. Wallahi, I don't think there's any big deal there. Okay? They're just trying to be friends. That's all. Cool.
Okay.
But there's a problem.
What problem?
I'm not sure Angela's boyfriend likes me. He doesn't want me around that.
You see what I'm saying? No, you see what I'm saying? But Haruna, if you really don't have anything, anything to hide, that means there's no trouble. But if you have something at the back of your mind, an opportunity may catch up with you one day. That's only if.
There's no if. No if. Wallahi, I'm a straight shooter, and as Allah is my witness, I am a straight shooter. I'm telling you, okay. I don't have problems.
Okay. Chibzo, I have told you everything I know about it, but you have bluntly refused to understand the fact that by loving you will not stop me from having friends that I care about.
Male friends.
Chibzo, let me finish, okay? I would take it that all these queries about my relationship with Haruna are made jokes, because I will not have you question my fidelity anymore. I've explained to you 1,001 times about Haruna, but you will not understand it. God, Jesus Christ, what's all this?
Haruna, I have your number. See, all this brouhaha has to stop. Yes, hello, Haruna. This is Chibuzo. Remember me? Oh, good, you do. Now, I'm going to say this only once, okay? Stay away from my fiancé, alright? In the name of God, stay away from my fiancé. Do you understand me? Oh, please, just save your sermon. Listen, there's a difference between knowing something and understanding something, okay? You can know a whole lot about something, but you don't understand a clue about it. Okay? Meditate on that. Back off. Do you understand me? Back off.
How your people? Huh? Allah.
Nwanna ka ịfọ unu na ebe a na-aṅụ mmanya ka ọ dị mmanya unu na-aṅụ ebe a unu na ebe a na-aṅụ nkwu ejide ndị be anyị na-egbusisi n'ugwu ka ọ dị mmanya unu na-aṅụ ebe a
Nwanne jụrụ ajụrụ biko.
onye isi Mark
Nne basa.
asị gị basa nwụrụ
Nwanne sie ife.
chere ka njụ ugwu dị gị kedu ndị iwu awụsị na-ekwu na ọ na-egbu ndị be anyị na-ekwu maka ugwu na ọmụmanya ị na ebe a na-aghasa ọnụ ndị ugwu na-egbu otu anyị na ugbu a ụmụaka anyị bọịs anyị nọ n'ime ahazi ihe a ga-eji je ije echi ọ bụrụ na ịnwekwa uche ịghọta ị na ebe a na-emesa ọnụ nwanne ma ha na-arụ n'obodo a ịghọtago
A na-egbu ha ka ose kịta kịta.
ihe a na-eri ọba sụọ ha asụ esi asụ akpụ
Nwanne sie onye m biko.
Haruna, I just don't get it. I don't get it. See, some of our leaders are the cause of all these political instabilities. See, these crooked ones amongst them will twist political issues, drag them into religion, and then feed the naive ones with false information. The result is all this mob action, riots, destruction of property, and killing of innocent souls. Sometimes I sit and I wonder when the leadership of this country at all levels will understand that the Constitution is above all personal interest. And that religion is a part of that Constitution.
Wallahi, they will not understand, my brother. You see, this thing baffles me, wallahi. Because there's nowhere in the Quran that is stated that violence and destruction of property is supposed to be a part of the Quran. It is not true. Islam is a religion that is tolerant of other people's religion, culture, status, and creed. That is at least the Quran that I read every day. But you see, these people, they will not stop to turn it upside down. They will not stop. Honestly, I am tired. Because Islam is tolerant of all this that I enumerated and more. And I'm sure other religious sects do not practice violence or promote the destruction of property. I know, irrespective of one's creed, religion, one's status in life, one's religious inclination or belief, I think everything should be respected. It is live and let live. That's what Islam promotes. So anybody out there that is a Muslim that's going out to destroy life and property all in the name of Islam is an extreme, a fanatic.
cable. Tambasa!
In the state, the Commissioner of Police, Mr. Mark George, announced a dusk-to-dawn curfew. He has also dispatched armed police officers to strategic positions. The Commissioner of Police warned that anyone who is aggrieved should go to the appropriate channel to lay his complaints. The government will prosecute without mercy anyone caught disobeying the law.
I have a lot of paperwork to do today, and it's almost 5:30 p.m. I gotta go.
It's alright, darling. Why don't you go into the kitchen and tidy up what you need to tidy up in there, and I'll drop you off home.
Okay then. I'll just go wash up the plates, and then your food is inside the microwave in case you get hungry. Okay.
Myself and so many Northerners regret the action of some of our people whose ignorant mind refuse to understand that they are endangering the lives and property of their brothers outside the northern part of the country. As they go attacking our indigents in the north for no just cause, I'm highly regretful of all this. Pray for us all.
It's been a long time. We did live on the wrong side. Hey, they kill one another when we're supposed to they love one another. Hey, now how long it go take before we go realize say that we are one people, that we are one nation. Oh, hey, hey. So drop your guns and shield your sword. Make we begin to live as one. My brother, my sister. Ooh, me I no know. Me I no know. Why we they kill one another? Oh, say me I no know. Why we they kill one another?
No wonder. China sister cables. Cables. Na wanne. Oblo ndai na chọ bifa. Okwa fama. Ifa na egusi n'oge. I was send those one and just like an eje. China sister. Don't want to. China sister na alu go mu ke.
Assalamu alaikum.
Salam.
Baba, na kawo muku abinci.
Me yake faruwa a cikin gari?
Baba, kai gama zan gaya miki.
Ba na jin yunwa. Me yake faruwa a cikin gari?
Baba.
Alhamdulillah.
Haruna, are you okay? Is everything fine? Are you sure? Okay, alright. I'll keep in touch, okay? Yeah. Alright. So you take care of yourself, huh? Alright, bye.
So, how is he? How is he doing?
He says he's fine. It's just that They've been in there since morning.
Are you serious? Wow, it's crazy. I wonder why some people hold us into their hands in a democratic dispensation. That's the rule of law still holds supreme. Honestly, it's crazy. So crazy. God.
You know, agreed the killings in the north are uncalled for. But I mean, 2 wrongs can never make a right. Gosh, I just don't know what this country is turning into.
Okay, Angela. You have to take care of him, okay? Till I come back.
You know, I'll do my best. So, when are you traveling?
Oh, first flight tomorrow morning.
Really? Okay. Next time you're traveling to the UK, make sure you don't come back empty-handed.
Don't worry, I'll get something for you. Come to me, oh.
I will see you up there.
Atom ka bundu wa na ido wa nwere uburu. Kini ga wo no bada ma ga ma tawo ndi Igbo ebusisie. Agwo kwara. Atawo ha ka egbuo. Maka kini? Oge me? Mba. O ma me. Atom ko bi na egbuo. Tawo he bo bula ha no. Wo puta stand ha. Come back please. Bra! Ile no boa. Ma. You go aruna.
Afu be dem ya.
You go yaku. Una you go yaku. Ile no boa. Ko wa na ko ta na. Ile. Ko ta na ma na no. Ai. Something one mama. Bano. Ko ta na.
Salamu alaikum. Gari ya kone fa suna kashe Hausawa. Duka Hausawa sun kashe su wallahi. In ba Allah ba suna kada su kashe ni. Hai. La ilaha illallah. Sai kana magana haka? Kai su haba. Bari mu shiru ai.
You know what? You have to wait. Let me go and get your own clothes so that everything will blend together.
Yes. La ilaha illallah. La ilaha illallah. La ilaha illallah. La ilaha illallah. La ilaha.
Mana?
Banu na anyị ji plans.
Biko nu nebu na dia, biko nebu na fa.
Allah.
Biko.
Just if you know slows our movement.
Biko.
Banu na akọmu
Naija. Bonum before ne go ndi na bem. Biko. Bonum. Before ne go ndi na bem. Biko.
Ọ na-atụla anyị ilu.
Banu no wa de ka mbem business bia. Ko busi en ko bufu de bodi no bem.
Na ka gwa mo ya.
Onya na egbu anyị oge ya.
Landlord.
Come on! Come on, move front! Come on!
Haruna, msizenka ndezamo nyingi.
Gaskiya ne. Shi ya ɓoye na mun wuce kawai. To shi. To, mu wuce. Allah ke.
Papa not here. There's no that place. Where I'm taking you people now is to my house. there's no other thing we can do, you understand? Everything is heating up, you understand? So, I don't know, there is nothing else we can do then. Let's go to my house, I will just hide in a day.
What are you talking about?
My father is in support of the killing, you understand? And there is nothing else we can do. But the thing is just that I and my brother, we're not just in support of it. We're not in support of it, so that's why he and Eze said that the best thing we should do is this. Let's just go to my house. I heard you people there. I just wish this whole thing will calm down.
Yo, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, may your will be done. Baba, what am I?
Everybody should take it easy, Maria, please, I beg you, stop crying. My father is still awake. Please, everybody should just try and take it easy. Then, let me fix what everyone wants, okay? Maria, stop crying now, please. No, take it easy, Please, I'm coming,
Onokwu.
What's happening?
Somebody has picked the call. Yeah, that's right.
Hey, this guy, Yana.
Oh my goodness. Dabata. Tauta. Aruna, what am I going to do? Hey, shut up, bro. You want to know the worst is here in town. Oh, you spoil your baby. What happened? You want to so you bought about so. I don't know, I don't know, make it. I don't know,
Johnson, Jerry. I feel on your ever. Ever go by.
Okay, so gonna quick foul. If it is guy ever, I'll be fuck off. I put him up. Let her go.
Haruna's phone switched off for this long? No. Something is wrong somewhere. No.
I don't know. See, it's been a long time. We they live on the wrong side. Hey, they kill one another when we're supposed to they love one another. Hey, now how long it go take before we go realize say that we are one people, that we are one nation. So drop your guns and shoot your sword. Make we begin to live as one. My brother, my sister. Ooh, me I don't know. Me I don't know. Why we they kill one another? Say me I don't know. Why we they kill one another? Say it is community.
Mata down oh you see na go oh maka oh you see if I no na lo wo so lo ni ba no na lo ayo jo ke if na lo ba if o lo jo obu nu we so bu na je police ichi okire kwa no nu we so bu na je police o so
They are welcome. If I only know, we just come a flash now. I had to put if I only know.
Yes, Angela, where are you?
Yes, honey. Yeah, I just want to go to Eze's house and I'm going to... Yeah, let me know if he's there. Yeah. All right, love.
What? I mean, not alone. Please.
Let me call you back, honey. Let me call you back.
Please help me. Please. I'm not alone. Please help me. Please.
Honey, let me call you back, okay?
Angela.
Please help me. I'm not alone.
You know what? Just calm down, okay? I will do the talking.
She got the phone on me. Phone is switched off. What's
wrong with this girl? What will I tell her parents if something happens to her? What's the meaning of this?
One game.
Na hapo onye mgbu ahụ.
Onye ọbụla akwụ wefa. Onye ọbụla akwụ wefa. Let them talk from the ball. Hold that down. Seba. Ball down. Swasusu. Swasusu.
Awu nwanne unu. Awu nwanne unu.
Swasusu. Swasusu.
Biko ewe n'iwe ọ nwanne m nwaanyị ka ọwụ okunu bụ ha okwu since eji mụọ ya ọha nnukwu ife
onye nke anyị ka ọwụ
nke agba tụọ asụsụ ị na-ele m n'anya nke a onyekwa ebe ole onye enye nke ebe isi onye ugwu bụ ahụ ọ ndara taa ọ sụọla m ya kọ onye jọọ ọzọ a ya kọ onye
Because of God. Hey, Mama. Mama, please, Mama. Mama, please. Hey.
Kennedy, Mama. You go get it. Kennedy, hey.
Please, Mama.
You want to get? You open it. You go.
Hey, Mama.
Now, Mama.
Mama.
Mama, if you
Mama.
Darling, it's okay. It's alright. Nothing will happen to Haruna and his family. You see, what those miscreants fail to understand is that hateful is the power, and pitiable is the life of those who wish to be feared rather than loved. No matter what, the gentle, sweet, but slow wind of democracy will subside the furnace of tyranny those tyrants have built in this country. It's okay. It's okay. It's alright. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Although Sule's parents escaped, I watched them march Sule and his sister out of the house. His eyes begging me to help, but I was helpless. God. Heza and I met later that night, and we decided that the best thing to do was to join different gangs and save as many lives as we could. I can't remember how many lives I helped save.
Allah will reward you, my friend.
Amen.
You know, when you told me to cheer up, it was not over yet. I thought that was the last time I'll see the sun.
Come on, Haruna, you know that the best form of defense is attack. If I had pleaded with them to spare your life, you would have been dead by now.
So that is why you told them to do what they wanted to do. That way, you appeal to their conscience.
That's it. The police will round them up by tomorrow.
How is that possible? They're everywhere, killing and maiming people.
Well, when the police found it difficult to track down these hooligans, they sent in their informants. And the guy that actually told me about the plot to kill him was a police informant. He told me he'll be calling the police once he's sure we are miles away from them. So, this last operation is going to bring an end to this.
I hope so. You know, Allah will see us all through.
Amen.
So how did you know about this informant?
He caught me releasing hostages. He asked me and I explained. I told him why. He revealed his identity to me.
That guy, now wow. I don't know what's in this country they don't say. Nah, Hey, the boss man, clear road for the man, yeah.
Now for Onisi.
Joey, clear road.
Nobody. Gene, there was so much problem. Don't want you everywhere. As I'm talking to you, I can't go Johnson, mama. Ebugo chief. Maxirofa. Ndo to I need hunting on the run. Maybe from now. More boys. I'm on the run now.
The boss you on the rock.
Baba Zezebeze Bonisi. You know on your own.
One day in Ajuba.
Our mom. What Bonisi? Also can I Bonisi? Bonisi, but hey,
Papa statement.
na ma kwa na mu na ndo jo na make ife o. Hey! Mwa.
Bushi Koto, the Guabaya. I beg I'm not waiting. Now go there here.
We need some unity. My brother, my sister, in our community. Ooh, we need some unity. I say, I, Chinedu from Enugu, Musa from Kano. Why we not go fit to love one another? Bola from Lagos, Bekwele from Rivers. Why we not go fit to love one another? Me and
Now I know this. Get it. You will not do both. Get it. Give it. Now here I'll check. 300,000. Hey.
Chief. So it's been you all. You had a hand in Haruna's death. You killed an innocent man just for nothing. All I did was just to make up for what we did to him in secondary school. That was all. He was always taking the first positions right from JS1 to SS3. That was why we hid some condoms and pack of cigarettes in his locker. Some other students found it and that got him expelled from school. I had nothing in it. You killed him just for nothing because of me. So all those consoling words was just for nothing, just a camouflage. God! Jesus! I hate you! Jesus.
Hey! Stand there, don't move!
Haruna! Oh my God!
To start with, a friend saved me. And I went away for affairs. He masterminded everything. He didn't want to be seen. Literally saved me. But that, if not for him, my parents, there's a flaw that they pushed away my dad because they were not having formal education. Sometimes they get into it. So I have to send you to weekend. There's no for me. There's no good thing for that. I've forgiven you guys a long time.
No, thank you.
I'm a Muslim. I practice a faith that enshrines peace, harmony, unity, not violence. And I'm sure it is something that you're one. People like this should be locked up. Officer, please.
Now move it!
Move it!
Move!
There's a slight mix-up here. Let's
keep quiet!
Go!
Leave me!
Move! You guys are making a big mistake here. You see?
me I don't know. I say I don't know. Me I don't know. See, it's been a long time. We they live on the wrong side. They kill one another when we're supposed to they love one another. Now how long it go take before we go realize say that we are one people, that we are one nation. Hey, hey. So drop your guns and shield your soul as one. My brother, my sister, ooh, me I no know, hey, me I no know, hey, why we dey kill one another? Oh, say me I no know, hey, why we dey kill one another? Say we need some unity in our society. Hey. Peace and harmony. Hey. Hey. In our community. Hey. We need some unity, my brother, my sister, in our community. Ooh, we need some unity. I say, Chinedu from Enugu, Musa from Kano. Why we no go fit to love one another? Bola from Lagos, Bekwele from Rivers. Why we no go fit to love one another? Hey, me I no know. Hey, why we dey kill one another? Ay, me I no know. Ay, why we dey kill one another? We need some unity, some unity, in our society. My brother, peace and harmony. My brother.